guys, today my name is Chloe and today we are going to be unboxing all of these. I repeat, all of these. So, here are the ones you can collect. So, you can collect the orange one, the green one, the blue one, the red one, the yellow one, and the purple one. But we cannot forget the secret. The secret is the ultimate one. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing. Okay, now let's unbox. Okay, since we worked a long time on opening these, we are going to start opening them. So, which one do you think it is? Comment down below. Which one do you think it is? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, we got blue. Okay, ASMR guys. That sounds so good. And I don't know why, but in camera form, everything sounds better. It's a bit dirty, but it's a bit dirty. Oh. Well, yeah, it's so good. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, we'll put that one back in here since we already know that it is blue. Okay, don't forget that. Moving on. Okay, comment down below. Which one do you think it is? Comment down below. Which one do you think it is? Okay, 3, 2, 1. We got yellow. Oh yes, we got yellow. This one smells good too. Okay. Okay, we already know that one's yellow. Okay. Comment down below. Which one do you think this one is? Oh my gosh, we got red. Look at, oh, look at that. We got red, guys. Comment down below, which one's your favorite so far? Do you like red, yellow, or blue? Okay, we have a few more to go. We have, the ones we have is red, yellow, and blue. The ones we don't have are orange, green, purple, and the secret. So yeah, okay, comment down below. Which one do you think this is? I'm really excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I got my favorite color. Okay guys, comment down below if your favorite color is purple too, because I love purple, guys. I really wanted purple so bad. Okay, we get purple. Okay, now we just need orange, green, and the secret. Okay, comment down below. Which one do you think this is? We got orange. Oh my gosh, wait, I love that. Wait, oh my gosh, it's kind of glowing. It's kind of glowing, y'all. Look at that. I love orange. It's so good. It's like kind of glowing. It's so cool. Alright, now we have one more. Okay, guys. Is it going to be green or is it going to be secret? Or we'll get a double. Hopefully we don't get a double. Hopefully we either get green or the secret. But getting a double would be nice too. Yeah. Ah, we got yellow. A double. We got another yellow, guys. Guys, listen to that. Okay. unfortunately, we got a double. But you gotta love it. You gotta love it, guys. Just because we got a double doesn't mean it's like, oh, wow, we got a double. Worst thing ever. Okay, yeah. So, now we gotta wrap up the video. So, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Would you like to spell my name with me? C-H over the stick in the hell, L-O-E. All right. Good job. All right. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye now.